In our world today, where everyone is striving to be part of a technological world, you need to hear this.
My dad found UPI for me.
Maybe Accra Academy na meba Uniyat Street.
Before coming to the institution, I was a graphic designer.
School leavers, parents who want the best for the awards, and even workers are pushing to advance themselves in IT and technology. The competition is keen, but the actual skill not available. And that is why Uniyat Practical Institute of IT, UPI, has introduced practical hands-on skill technological training with state-of-the-art tools, machines, and equipment that equip our students to work as professionals by the time they complete. What makes UPI training fantastic is that the programs are grounded in the German TVET policy, and so this makes the training what we call lab-based. This simply means that your classroom is the lab. From the very day you start class till the day you complete, it is practical training throughout.
Networking and cybersecurity engineering.
Graphic design, video editing, and 3D animation.
Software engineering.
3D modeling and animations, and computer design.
Me who say me interest in IT mo, since me follow a bebo me no, and I me imagine say me. Na me ban so, the na imagine na was so. It's the way we say air corny baby could do. Me decided say me networking, said the beya minya nimdie bebre afa side man.
I'll start with my experience at UPI. That would really affirm why I decided to pick UPI. So I had a very good teacher when I came to UPI. I didn't start the class early, but he made time for me and spent time with me to make sure I understood and I caught up with the rest of the class. And also outside the classroom, he was giving me exercises, things to try out in relation to the course we're studying, and also the assignments, constant assignments. And
I've found it a very pleasant experience being here, meeting new people, getting ideas from them, and also the lecturers, how they take us through our programs, how they teach us. They teach us always to think out of the box. I believe that has made me a better person.
Especially with the practical aspect. They expect you to do more.
Yep, it was very practical. I didn't expect it to be as practical as it turned out to be. I expected there to be a little bit of theory and then combined with the practical, but the practical really overpowered the theory, which was a plus for me.
The way omo describe is 85% practical, but maybe I say it's more than 85%.
So I think one of the best experiences I've had is at UPI.
Coming to UPI was a very brand new and very relished experience.
It has been tested and verified that for the very first time, there is an actual practical IT and technological training institute in Ghana.
And I'm glad I studied 3D animations at UPI.
The times in which we find ourselves in this country, a lot of people are searching for office jobs to do, going from office to office, submitting application letters, when if you had a skill, could have easily made something for yourself.
I'm a student at the University of Ghana studying economics and marketing, and I do graphic design and video editing. I'm a volunteer with Human Rights Organization, and also I spend my time doing 3D modeling and animations.
So currently, I'm a freelance graphic designer. I do projects and contracts for companies like Indigo Ad Markets, which is an online app, and HVAC, who are into ventilation and cooling systems for buildings.
Students who complete UPI are equipped enough to start their own businesses and to employ others. Most UPI students start up their own businesses or get employed within few months after completion. The opportunity UPI offers is creating jobs upon jobs. Courses offered: network and cybersecurity engineering, computer hardware and mobile phone technician, design technology, online business and e-commerce, database management development, Android development, CCTV camera installation and management, ethical hacking by EC Council, cyber security, and software engineering, with the main focus on mobile app development, desktop app development, web portal, and e-commerce development, with Python, Java, C#, and Swift as the main programming languages. Our design technology program has to do with still graphic design, video editing, computer animation, photography, drone piloting, and social media management. Enroll now. You can call our hotline on 0555 383848. UPI students, after a successful completion, are awarded with a recognized and internationally certified diploma, professional, and competency certificate. You can call us by picking any of our numbers on your screen. Depending on where you are located, please pick the appropriate number on your screen. We are located in Accra, Kumasi, and Kasoa. You can visit our website for more information on fees, duration, sessions, and more. www.upischool.com, or visit our YouTube page to watch this documentary again. We are on Facebook, UPI School, Instagram, UPI School, Twitter, UPI School. The world out there is paying more for competencies. That is why at UPI, we empower our students to think beyond average.